Hello everyone. I will try to print TPU for the first time in my Bambu Lab A1. So you can see this is my Bambu Lab A1 and this one is AMS lite with it. But as you know, you can't print TPU using AMS or AMS lite because of TPU is like flexible filament. You have to use external spool holder. So what I will do, I will uh, remove any one of the PTFE tube from here to there, and then I will try to print it. I open the PTFE tube from here and I plug it to the external spool holder. Now I will insert my TPU filament inside it. This is my TPU filament. I bought it from Robo. It is called Pro Range 3D filament. I will try this one. So as this is my first time, I didn't go with any expensive brand TPU. First I will try with it. One more thing, I adjusted this external spool holder according to this PTFE tube because other three I didn't touch, and then I adjusted the external spool holder accordingly, and now I will fit the material inside it. So actually TPU is very hard to push through PTFE tube because it is flexible material, but as of now I am not facing issue from external spool holder. But I think if you use any AMS or such kind of automatic filament feeder tool, then it may cause problem. That's why they don't recommend that. You can see here I almost pushed the filament here inside my AMS hub. It is almost there. Now it is not going any further. Now what I will do, I will come back to screen and I'll go to filament, external spool, and I already configured it with blue TPU. And what I will do, I will do load. So now it is hitting the nozzle. Nozzle is heated up to the desired temperature. Now it is trying to draw the filament inside it. It is telling check filament location, and here I can see it is extruding the filament also a little bit. And it is purging the old material and asking me to check if it is extruded or not. So I am clicking to yes, extruded. Then again it is drawing the filament, and you can see here the roll is also rotating, so that means it is being loaded properly. I gave one gear type of structure here, but I didn't reduce the speed. It is normal 300 millimeter per second. Let's see what will happen. Although I heard that for TPU we should reduce the speed, but I didn't. Let's see. Temperature wise I am not sure. In spool it is written 190 to 230 degrees Celsius and I kept 220, but I am getting some sound, pit 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 noise, so that is indicating I think it is in over temperature. Print is finished. Now it is test time. Let's see. Oh my god. without any fail my first TPU print is successful, but there are lots of string. That is one thing happened, I think, because of mainly higher temperature. It is still flexible, you can see, but quality is not that great because surface finish is not that great, because like you can see there are lots of string. Maybe the next print I will decrease the temperature to 200 and then I will try again. This one is also done. Let's see. Okay, what we can see here also stringing happened, like it is almost similar, but the stringing. But one thing I noticed here, as I printed it in 200 degrees Celsius, it is more flexible than this one which I printed in 220 degrees Celsius. So if I decrease the temperature, so flexibility is also increasing. But I'm not sure about the stringing. Maybe what I will do, I will decrease the speed and then I will try again. So instead of like 300 millimeter per second for inner layer and outer layer, it's like 200 millimeter per second, I will decrease it to 50 millimeter per second and then I will try it again. I reduced the speed. For initial layer I kept 10 millimeter per second, and for other layer like outer and inner surface layer I kept 30 millimeter per second, and you can see the result. It's pretty good. If you see this one is my first try and there are a lot of string. Sorry, this one is my second try, but this one I printed with 200 degrees Celsius, but speed was 200 millimeter per second, and similarly this one as well, I mean default 300 millimeter per second, and temperature was 220 degrees Celsius, but there are lots of string. But here you can see the latest one, very minimal, like one or two string are there, and quality is really good. Yeah, but still there are some strings exist. What I will do, I will create the filament into my filament dryer and I will try to print from it and I will see the result. Let's see. Although my filament is brand new and I just put the filament, but I saw in internet that even TPU is in good and you just open from vacuum seal, uh, it may have problem, and it is better to print it using filament dryer or some kind of container. So what I will do, I will unload my TPU filament, I will put it to my filament dryer. I have reality filament dryer here. First I will put there for 4 hours, then I will start printing from here itself. There is one hole here, so I can take the filament out from it and I will put it to my printer. I put the TPU filament inside my reality filament dryer. Now in manual I saw I have to put it to 55 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. So I will change the temperature to 55 and I will do it for 4 hours. So now it is started, and hygrometer is showing 93% of humidity, so it is too bad. Maybe for that only there are lots of string being generated. uh, let's see. So I will wait for 4 hours, and then what I will do, I will take out the filament from here, and I will one of the PTAP tube from my AMS light, I will put it here, and I will use that PTAP tube as external spool, and I will print from this. Now I loaded my filament through my filament dryer, and I used number 3 as my uh, external spool holder, and then I started the filament dryer as well. Now I will put in the same gear here, and I will see what will be the result this time. And this is done, and look at the quality. I mean, there is almost no stringing at all. You can differentiate that whether it is printed in PLA or TPU. It's really good. See here, after putting it to filament dryer, quality is really good. If I see one by one, this one was the first one with 220 degrees Celsius, and I mean default speed whatever it is in Bambu Lab, and it was printed open without any filament dryer or anything. And I thought as it came like new filament, I opened from vacuum seal box and I printed it, but that is the quality I got. And after that I decreased the temperature, so it is more soft than first one. You can see here it is not that much soft, it is little bit harder. But when I decrease the temperature to 210, so it is little soft, but you can see the layer lines here, and there are lots of strings as well. Then what I did, I decreased the speed of it. So instead of 200 millimeter per second, I decreased it to 30 millimeter per second, and it improved a bit. But then I saw one YouTube video, and he was telling to print it using filament dryer. So you have to put your filament and you have to print from there itself. And look at it, I mean it is perfect. There is no string at all, so only like one string, that's all. But for TPU it is fine. The quality is really good. I'm really happy and satisfied. That's all guys, that is my first TPU print. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.